I lost losing my voice, I think. It kind of hurts a little bit, and I think I know why. Brain reaction. The clown. I wanna scream and shout and let it all out and scream. I wanna scream and shout and let it all out and let it all. Now working with I am. Oh, YouTube. Oh, look, came on the big screen. Ah, me. Oh my Lanta. Oh God. Flush. Oh. Oh my God, I almost gagged. Oh my God, that's so gross.
How do you think I feel?
Get a sunburn. Oh.
You can see, like that's the Justin that we know. That's the Justin that we love.
More. I really wish I could go back and I'd be like videotaping everything. Romantic. Woo! I remember that.
At band camp? I'm just kidding. Happy 1st of July weekend to all you people who live in America over there.
America?
There's another chair over here.
That's alright, I'm stretching my legs.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is Camping with Kanan night 1. We've got here. The tent is up. That was a hassle on its own. You guys should be happy you did not see it. So yeah. Oh my gosh, that's bright. Alright, we're in bed. Sleep. So on the road trip now, I gave me some frozen yogurt. Only a little bit because I already ate a lot today, so. So we stopped at the Walmart. So we're at the Walmart, and we cannot find the game that we are looking for around here. No croquet. So I chose to sit on the end seat over here because big TV over there. Yum 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 yummy. So we're off to a very unknown movie called Transformers, right, Dad?
Right.
What's the movie called? What's the movie called?
I don't know. Transformers 3D?
So we're here. Couch. So we're at the movies now. Want to see that movie? Got our stuff. We saved a few money for my SIM card. Storm's coming. Weather outside is frightful. The weather out there is scary. So we just got saved. It just started pouring out here whenever we got out. Windy. Thundery. Lightning.
This week, T-bone steaks, only $5.88 a pound.
North, south, east, or west, no matter where.
Coming. Very fast. Coming. I found a duck. A wild duck. Wind. You wanna know what shoe fits me? That shoe right there fits me. There's Keaton, Grandma, feeding fish, Sage, my Hankin. Hi, Sage.
So she thinks, is that right, eh?
There we go. Good.
Okay, we're getting a break. Time to run. Sure, we gotta get to record. Just
Okay.
rest easy there.
It's recording.
Now it's recording. Up you go.
Hey, Grandma.
I had a great day.
Yep.
Good day.
Did you have a good day, Grandma?
I did.
Okay, I'll see you later.
Yeah, on holidays. I gotta make an illegal turn now. It's illegal, but I'll be doing it. I'll be doing the legal one. Won't take the chairs.
Big ton of tomatoes. They come to arrest me. Well, I should arrest the kid in the back. Call me jaywalking.
Trouble. Jaywalking on parade day, huh? You deserve it.
Oh, got it. Happy Canadian Day, Canada Day. Canadian Canada Day.